Hey guys, Nikki here, and let's get into this awesome drawstring unit from Myfirstwig. Alright guys, so let's get into this wig from Myfirstwig. Let's talk about what makes this so special. There is a drawstring at the back. This is new, this is innovative. They are always going to bring you the latest and the greatest, right? So just like, remember back in the day when we had the drawstring ponytails, boom, boom, boom. And what this is going to do is prevent the wig from wrinkling right here. When I went to Houston recently, my wig kept wrinkling right there, and gosh, it was a mess. So what that allows you to do is draw it tighter so you won't have those wrinkles at the front. The same with lifting. You know how it lifts right here? That drawstring is going to prevent that as well. The size is gonna fit perfectly, no sliding, and very secure. And the hairline is so natural. Everything is pre for you guys too, if you can see that. Pre-cut, everything pre-bleached. The lace is even cut off the wig, so we're just gonna put it on. This is a glueless wig, so you do not have to wear glue, but you guys know I always put a little spray because I'm a little wild. But that's a personal preference, but this wig is meant to be glueless, hence this right here. So this is some of the soft, glossiest hair ever. It has like a natural sheen, but not like a synthetic fake sheen, if that makes sense. But what else do you expect from Myfirstwig? So let's just get this bad boy on. You guys know it's going to be super easy. That's what they specialize in, beginner friendly wigs that we all can enjoy, use, and love. And over on the website they have so many different type of wigs. They have curly, straight, bobs, whatever you want, and their mission is for all of the wigs to be beginner friendly and where anybody can put them on. So let's just hop straight to it. So this is what we have directly on our head, guys. We have a good hairline, great fit. We don't have to cut much if we decide. Look at that. Hold on, let me push that down. Just looks really, really good up in here. Let's go ahead and use one of the clips that they sent us. Us is a me. So, I can't see, of course, so this is what we have. Hope it's in focus. You take the string and you pull it to make everything snug. And then with the string, you just tuck it under. Oh, love that. So now that I have the string in place, we are so good and snug, right? But my mirror is over here, so excuse me. We're just gonna scoop this back some more. The ear tabs are a little too big, so I'm just gonna cut that out just like that. I try to do it without interfering with the hair so that it's not a lot of shedding. Taking this spray right here, and I'm just gonna put one line. This dries pretty fast. Really, really, really fast. Take my fan and dry it just a little bit. We are going to, this is long. It's different. It's long and it doesn't have a Velcro. I guess you just tie it at the back, which is what we always end up doing anyway, right? So let's just get this band off. This is going to be a simple, look how good that looks. This is going to be a simple side part unit. Like I said, Myfirstwig specialized in making things simple for us. So all I have to do is take this down, comb through it, and flat iron it. Okay, so part is pretty deep. Y'all know we love us a good deep part, honey. Let's get our wax stick. Let's take the wax stick. We ain't gonna do nothing spectacular. We don't need no baby hairs. We don't need none of that. Just straight side part action. I haven't had a side part in so long. Okay, so we're gonna come through that wax with our hot comb, and remember, everything I always use is linked below the video. You'll see the hair information and then everything I use, and maybe what I had on, but today I don't have on anything spectacular. Alright guys, now we have the top good and flat. That looks amazing. I want to keep it natural. This reminds me of throwback plait when I used to go to the beauty shop. Like a wrap type. So we're going to flat iron it a little bit and that's it. She fancy. Oop. It's just like very simple hair. It's not thick. It's not a really heavy density to where it looks unnatural. Oh gosh, I love this. Love it, love it, love it. Like I said, it's just a regular old school wrap. Whew. Oh, I love the way that looks up there. This is a gorgeous side part silky straight number, and I know you guys are going to enjoy it. Alright guys, that's this beautiful drawstring unit. I will make sure I leave all of the links below along with any discount codes and information I got about my first wig. Thank you all for watching this video, and I'll catch you in my next one.